Beach is a wreck today. Look.
No, ma, I see it from way down there. Joking.
Yeah, I see it up there. The water splashing. Oh, buddy. Wow, it wasn't like this when we ride last night. Damn. And I wasn't supposed to come right now. Just something just tell me take a turn. And I turned down. Whoa. Let's hope the water don't splash while we're riding the bus. Look at this. What in God great name? What the?
Everybody up pitching
Damn, they cleaning that.
I'm all about my money. I look big gangsta on the
all
side of the
kind of shit
gully.
inside the
Mr.
water.
Folly H and girl I fight about my body. Stay
The
on the
big
ground, I see the
potato,
rock,
I
the
mean
fresh
BC
drop.
log in the water to Le Mans is there.
Oh. Oh, look at they get the roadblock off. Yeah, man. Whoa.
The shingles of this roof, all done come off.
100 jams where hit music lives. 16 minutes after the hour of 3 o'clock. Of course, this hour is all brought to you by Vitamalt. Alright, and hopefully you're all stocked up on some Vitamalt as well. Get through the storm.
That's dangerous, man. Him in his damn tractor.